back to DIY with Dewey. I wanted to show you guys how to pump gas in an Acura ZDX. So if you look at your gas gauge right there, do you see the little arrow that points left? That shows you what side your gas tank is on. And we'll go ahead and pull up to the gas station with the pump on our left side for this car. The Acura ZDX doesn't have a lever to open the gas lid. So what you do is you just make sure your door is unlocked and then you press the lid in, pops open, and then you can untwist this cap, gas cap, and then hang it onto that little hanger right there on the lid cover. So what we're going to do is use 93 Octane and put your credit card in, make sure it's all ready. There. We're going to get the lever off, nozzle off, and then press 93. Go ahead and insert it into your Acura ZDX. Pull the lever, and then I push it on maximum with the automatic. Maximum fuel tank capacity is 21 gallons, but you should never fill up 21 gallons. The owner's manual says you should never run the vehicle very low on fuel. You can cause engine damage. It stops automatically when the tank is full. Okay, so the little handle pops down on its own and stops. Go ahead and pull out the hose. And then I tap it a couple times so it doesn't drip onto the paint. Then just hang it back onto the gas pump. And we're gonna get our receipt. Okay, now that our gas is full, we're gonna go ahead and get the gas cap. First, I would rotate it left a little to make sure the threads are correct, and then I rotate it right. I let it click twice. There we go. Then close the lid cover. Here's a little information I found in the owner's manual. Avoid driving with really low gas. Use a minimum of 91 octane fuel or higher. The driver door is connected to the fuel tank lid, so when it's unlocked, then your fuel tank cover is unlocked. Make sure the gas cap clicks at least one time while you're tightening it. You don't want any leaks. There we go. So now our gas is full. It takes a little bit of time for it to register, but it's climbing. There we go. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions filling up gas in your Acura ZDX.